Okay guys, I got message from many of you asking me, can you please show us beginner-friendly paid method to do CPA marketing? And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly that. So it is really important for you to watch this video very carefully because I'm going to give you some tips and advices that will help you to make money with CPA marketing as a beginner with the paid method. Before we begin, I have to say if you can create a bridge page, that is the best option. And creating a good bridge page comes with an experience, which means it will take you some time to learn how to make a good bridge pages, okay? So be patient, test different things, test different stuff, and that knowledge will come to you. So now we can start making money with CPA marketing and paid method. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use CPAGrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network. And this is really important. Here we need to choose our CPA offer that we wish to promote. Now, because this is a paid method, you have to choose a specific country. Now, in this case, I can choose United States. And also, this is another really important thing. Here you can see you can choose desktop or a mobile phone or cell phone. Okay, so for example, let's just say I will use Android. Okay, I wish to promote Android offer. Okay, and here you can see all the available offers. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this offer here. I will just click here, and what I need to do, I need to simply copy the title and I need to paste that here in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. Okay, paste that here, and also I need to copy my CPAGrip affiliate link in this case, and I'm going to paste that here. Okay, so now we need to start promoting this CPA offer here, and for every email submit we are actually going to earn 89 cents. Now, advertising website we are going to use is actually Propeller Ads. Now, how to register for a Propeller Ads? Just click here on Start, and then here you can choose, you need to choose advertiser because you wish to pay for ads. You are advertiser, okay? Here, individual or a company. I'm guessing that most of you are individuals, so choose here individual. Okay, and populate all of these fields here, and then click here on continue, confirm your email, and that's it, you are good to go. And after you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard. Now this is also really important part of the video because we are actually going to set up our campaign. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on these zeros because you need to add funds, okay? Here you can choose bank card or wire transfer. Now I'm guessing that most of you will choose bank card, okay? And here you can see you must deposit at least $100 if you wish to start a campaign. If you deposit less, then you cannot start campaign. So you must deposit at least $100 in order to start a campaign. Now, to start a campaign, you need to click here on Create a Campaign, okay? And here you need to set up your campaign, so pay close attention, okay? Here for the campaign name, now this is visible only to you, so you know what this campaign is, okay? Nobody else can see the name of this campaign. So for the purpose of this video, I will just copy this, okay? Just copy this, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? And here you can choose different kind of ads. Do you wish one-click ads, push notifications, interstellar or survey exit? Now, survey exit is great, but you need already to have an audience here on Propeller Ads, so you can use that later, okay? And also pay attention on this because in one of the next steps, this will be really useful, okay? This kind of campaign can convert really well, okay? So pay attention. Here you can see pop under or direct clicks. I usually choose direct clicks, okay? But you can test pop under if you want, okay? Here we need to choose CPA goal, smart CPM or CPM. I leave it as a CPA goal, but you can test these other things as well. Now, targeting URL. That is our CPAGrip affiliate link in this case. But like I said, if you can create a bridge page, that is a better option, okay? So I will paste that here. And also, this is really important. Here you can see different kind of tags. So what you need to do, you need to click here on Click ID, and it will add Click ID on the end of your CPAGrip affiliate link. And this will be important in one of the next steps. And also, this is important if you are starting this campaign, survey exit. So this is really important. So next, we need to choose a country, okay? We targeted United States. We are promoting offer, CPA offer for United States market. So here, I will simply search for United States, and here you can choose different city or a different state. I will leave it as an entire United States, but later when you start getting some results, you can actually change targeting and you can target specific state or a specific city where you are actually getting best results, okay? Cities, like I said, I will not do that for now. Later you can do that. Here you can see advertising budget. Now, here you can see daily campaign budget. Minimum is $30. So for example, when I type here 20, I cannot start campaign. Here you can see minimum is $30. So I will change this to be 30, for example. Okay, $30. Total campaign budget, I will leave it as it is. I will leave it empty, okay? But if you have only, if you deposited only $100, then you can set up $100 as a total campaign budget, okay? Platform. I told you it is really important to choose, do you wish to promote CPA offers for desktop, Android or iPhone, okay? That is really important. Here we need to choose that. So I will choose mobile, okay? And here you can see operating system, Android, because I chose CPA offer for Android, okay? And that is why it is really important to choose that when you are actually choosing CPA offer to promote on CPAGrip or wherever you choose your CPA offer, okay? Here, these things here, I will leave it as it is. Later, you can actually change this and target your audience more precisely. But like I said, once you start getting first results, you can then narrow your targeting. But for now, I will leave it as it is, okay? And when I scroll here, I can see do not collect. I actually wish to click here, collect users who completed conversion in this campaign. And this is important. So here you can see we added this click ID, and click ID is important for this exact thing, because I wish to collect this data. And why I wish to collect this data? So I can have a higher conversion on survey exit campaign, okay? And that is why you need to do these things. You need to add click ID and you need to collect data from the people who actually finished the survey or submitted their email, because later you can start survey exit campaign and your conversion rate will be higher, which means you will spend less money and get higher conversion and make more money with CPA marketing, okay? And when you scroll here you actually need to give it a name. So I can just create some name, or I can use one of these, for example, that I already created. So for example, I just say this one here, but like I said, you can create a new campaign name. And what I need to do, I need to click here on I agree to the terms of condition, and then click here start a campaign. They will review your campaign, and if it satisfies their rules, they will approve your campaign and you will start getting traffic. Like I said, if you can create a bridge page, that is a better option. But if you are absolute beginner, then you can start promoting your direct CPA affiliate links in this case. And here you can see how your ads will look. They will add something similar to promote your ad on their websites, on the people, on the publishers who actually work with Propeller Ads. And like I said, I repeat again, making bridge page is better option, and creating a good bridge page comes with an experience. But for the beginning, you can start promoting your direct CPA affiliate link. And if you do everything correctly, you will start making money with this method and with this company. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.